He's cooking.
Your show makes no sense because it don't matter how. You don't even have to be good. You just got to be better than the other worst.
That's why I said we need to get on the show.
That's what I'm saying. I can win this one. I just gotta be the best of the worst.
And that's pretty easy.
There is 2 cakes on top of each other and some crispy treats on the bottom. Everything is covered with fondant, and the roof is a little bit of starch shape as a cone, and then everything is applied by layer, and airbrush is applied to the color. It's all start getting the cake batter made and into
And the what?
Told y'all I'm not the one that's coming up with words.
She just came up with like 20 words in the last 2 hours.
just the person I want to be when I grow up.
Absolutely.
That's fancy. I'm not used to fancy.
That's what she wants.
Who won? The one with the 3 donuts? She had the best one.
You will be wearing this very clear, sparkling big
Did you see how she grabbed that?
You was too geek for that.
This
boy.
what she did. YouTube, what's up? It is almost 11 a.m. Not a.m. Almost 11 p.m. Today is July the 20th, 2018, and I'm up and I'm really tired. But we are making a video of us making cheesecake. Yeah, I'm actually really, really sleepy, but I said I'll stay up and record a little bit. Sorry. So he's prepping for his cheesecake. Hubs, how many cheesecakes you making?
6.
You know what flavors, or you just starting off plain for right now?
I'll make 2. I might make 1 key lime one, and the rest plain, and just add toppings for whoever want to add toppings.
We definitely adding caramel.
Yeah.
That's for sure. So he's making 6 cheesecakes, key lime, caramel, and plain. And right now I'm drinking some peppermint tea because I have indigestion, and this is taking care of the indigestion I have. Hold on, y'all.
Let's see if I can make all of these. If I can make all of this in this thing.
Make all of what? Hold on. I'm drinking my tea in my Charlie Brown cup that I actually got from the thrift store. 2 bags of peppermint tea to assure I don't suffer too much. But if you have a stomach ache, forget about Pepto-Bismol. Forget about, what else? Forget about any type of medicine. Peppermint tea is the cure. Believe me. In about 30 minutes or less, I will no longer have a stomach ache. Let me get him prepping. You got the vanilla and stuff too? Don't forget about that.
10 packs.
This has been one fattening week for us. When I say that, I mean it, because during the week we barely eat, and when we do, it's all healthy stuff like smoothies, fruit, healthy dinners. This week has been a serious treat for us. So all of our last few videos, we look like pigs, but in real life we're not. This is like a major treat. So yeah.
Use this.
The spoon, I guess. And don't do it like you did last time.
A little bit more now. No, you know
That's
what to do.
good. That's good. That last time you was. There's no way humanly possible I am going to be able to stay up and watch him make these cheesecakes. I'm just way too sleepy. Like, who starts cheesecakes this late? Well, to me, it's late, because I get tired quick, so there's no way. I'm chilling with Chewy. He looking a little nappy right now, so what up, Chewy? And I'm chilling with R2. My pillow pets, whatever you call them. There's no way I'm staying up. I'm gonna be asleep before that stuff gets done. I'm watching the Cleveland show though. Yeah. But we'll go check in on him in a minute.